In this video, I'm going to show you how to post on Facebook and Instagram at once. So if you like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. So you come to your Instagram, click on your post. So we're going to upload a post. So assume this is my post. I click on next, and now there are two ways to do this: the long method and the short method. So I'm going to start with the long method, and here's what I'm explaining here. After this, I'll show you the short method. So click on next, and then here you come to share to Facebook. So this is it. You click on that. Now this only works if you connected your Facebook page to your Instagram account. If you haven't, please check the comment the description section for the link on how to connect your Instagram page to your Facebook page. So once that's done, if I click this, turn this on, and I click on share, it's going to share both on my Instagram and my Facebook page. And that's the long method. For the short method, with the short method, you don't have to do this all the time, and it's simple. Go to your Instagram account, go to settings, and come down to where you have cross posting. And on cross posting, you turn everything on. So you see, if cross posting is on, once cross posting is on, when you post your post, it shares everywhere on Facebook and on your Instagram. So you can choose whether to share posts or stories. You can choose both if you want. You can choose only one. So if I post any story on Instagram, it's going to post on my Facebook. If I post a post on Instagram, it's going to post on my Facebook. So this is a short method. You don't have to set this every other time. So if this video is helpful, subscribe to my YouTube channel.